In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove filler words on CapCut PC. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what I need to do is open up CapCut, and then I am going to click on Create New Project. From there, I'm going to import a video that I've just previously done. So I'm going to click Import here. And now I'm going to import my last video I just made, drag this to my timeline. And now once you've dragged your video to the timeline, I'm going to zoom in a bit like so. Click on the video, and now on the top of the video we've got these options here, and you'll see remove filler words. So go ahead and click on remove filler words, and now it's going to analyze. So what it does, it's identifying filler words like pauses, repeats, etc. Once it's done that, a box is going to appear like so, and you can see this is the timeline, and all these little tabs here are the filler words. So if I click on the first one, this is a pause, or this is a filler word. Then the next one here is a pause. This one here is a long pause, so half a second pause. And now in order to delete all of these filler words, you've got to click on delete. But this is a pro feature inside CapCut, so if you don't have CapCut Pro, you will not be able to use this feature. But I will leave a link in the description below where you can check out CapCut Pro on a free 7-day trial. So click on delete, and now this is the video. I'm not going to play it because it's over 2 minutes long, but what it's done, it's gone ahead and removed the filler words, so the pauses, the repeats, etc. And now once you're happy with that, go ahead and export your project.